Grade 12, so let us look at another loci mechanism. But what is given to us is a schematic diagram of a crank AB, which we have here, which rotates around its own axis here. And you will see that circle is the motion, the phantom that it creates. And then there's a connecting rod BC, which we have right here. And of course there's P on rod BC. And then there's an arm, which we call a rocker, which is CD. And basically this oscillates that way and this way. So D and A are fixed points, so they don't really move. So this goes back and forth, and that rotates around that center point A. So using the given information on the diagram, we need to trace the locus of point P, which is on the rod BC. For one revolution only, please ensure that you show all the necessary constructions when you do the activity. So step 1, you are going to divide this into your 12 parts using your 60 and your 30. You already see that the rod AB is already situated on one of the parts. And then of course you have the different points on your circumference of your phantom line. This of course will rock back and forth, so you can put your compass here and draw an arc like that there. You need to measure the distance from B to P, or you can measure the distance from here, preferably from B to P. And the reason for that is so that you can mark off point P as it makes its way around the phantom circle. So the 3 steps which you are going to follow when you are going to move from this point to that point here, you're going to mark that point. You're going to take your compass and open it up at the size of BC, like that, and you are going to cut off on this line here that size, and you're going to draw that line until you get to that marked off point here, and then you're going to measure from this point where point P would be. So if that is, for example, X, that is the distance you're going to measure the X for point P1. So that's point P1. So the next step would be to go to your next point, and from here you're going to put your compass sharp point and arc where that point now would be once it moves to this point over here. And you will draw the line till there, and you will mark off point P as it moves, and that would be number 2. You may draw these lines as well, just to show the movement as it oscillates back and forth. I'm going to follow through with that motion.